Hey guys, it's Phil here. Basically what we've just done today is had to change out the fuel sender in the vehicle. So we put the new one in there. Also I put another fuel filter in there because the tank's so old. I want to stop it from getting more and more shit in the engine. So I'll replace that when I replace the other one when I do the service. But it all works. So we got the part from Superoo. Leigh at Superoo had to custom make this for us. They got a standard one from Rare Spares, and then they had to custom make it into the Ute Sedan type model. Ute panel van type model, because the Sedan ones don't work on the panel vans and Utes. So got that. Not too bad a price. It was $220 from Superoo. And Leigh and that fixed us up there, and they're awesome bunch of guys there, so pretty much anything you need for your Ford you can get it from there. I've got about another $800 worth of parts coming on order at the moment to do the lower suspension. We've got to do the upper and lower control arms. We've got to do all the ball joints, everything that's in that, the sway bar, and things like that. So, but at the moment that is all working, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, like I said, just fixed the fuel gauge on the centre, and look, it's working now. Oh, get in there. Yep, there we are. All working. We're on a hill, so it says it's got a full tank. I reckon it's probably about half. But that's one job done. On to the next one. Hey guys, just a bit of an update on the van. Okay, so we ended up getting a license, so we had to do a few things. I think it was 5 things all up. So we had to take it over a weigh bridge because they didn't want to know the weight of the vehicle, so we did that. There was a small exhaust leak, so we fixed that up. We also had to fix up a transmission leak, which I kind of just degreased it and bodged it just to get over the pit, but we got over. And we're going to fix that next week. The other thing we had to put on was we had to put on new tyres. So we've got new tyres all the way around, which I picked up at second-hand 12 slots, chrome ones. So they're now 14x8s all the way around. We've got 2 3.5s on the front, 2 6.5s on the rear, all fit in perfectly. Don't have to roll the guards or anything just yet, but we may lower the we're going to lower it down at the back end and the front end, probably by about 30 millimeters, so about an inch and a half. Now we just got to try and actually get the vehicle up to spec. I used the same plates that I had on the Sandman, so I handed the plates in for the Sandman, and at the same time I relicensed it and used the same plates and put it on this vehicle. So at least it's all registered, ready to go. Okay. The other thing too is the future plan of this vehicle is this is going to turn into an Aussie Garage promo vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to have all this area decked out at the back here, which will hide our camera stuff that we need, things for entertaining, stuff like that. And when we go to shows, it'll have Aussie Garage all through the interior. And what we're also looking at doing is we're looking at maybe partnering with a few businesses to help us get the promo vehicle up and running and get it to the specs it needs to be, and like things like paint, mechanical work a bit more, all those kind of things. However, at the moment we're taking our time with it, and we're just going to work within our means of our budget. But this car will promote Aussie Garage and all our sponsors that may come on board for our channel and for future issues. That's pretty much what it's going to be. The car is called Meadow Green at the moment, which is kind of yellowy green colour, and that's the factory colours. Not 100% sure if we're going to stick with the factory green at the moment, or factory Meadow Green. What we might end up doing is making a brilliant yellow, maybe with a bit of fleck or something through it, I'm not sure. But at the end of the day, this is what it is. So that's it. This is a bit of update, but at least it's licensed. I can drive around to events now and enjoy things. I'm heading out to one tomorrow, which is the Shannon's Southern Coffee Cruise in Kenwick. So that should be good. So far there's about 500 people already said they're going. So hopefully we can get some interviews done and put some more content on the channel. Awesome guys, well I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.